Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan, and today, Friday 16 February 2024, my trade setup directions for today will be long on the New Zealand, the US dollar and the CAD, the short on the yen, the Swiss and the pound. My first chart of the day will be the dollar index, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. If you look at the dollar index, it retraced much further than I anticipated. Some bearish news on the dollar yesterday, but still holding this halfway mark. It's not falling like a rock. After last night, it gapped up slightly on the open this morning, which shows a lot of strength still coming in. On my short-term indicator, it's still very, very strong. But this doesn't exclude the opportunity or the potential that it could retrace back to the moving averages. But for now, I'm still holding with a strong level there. Let's see what happens. It's Friday. Anything can happen on all the news coming out on a Friday. Then gold, I've showed you the triangle, the break, and now a strong run yesterday, pushing it most likely back to that reversal area there, or that support area there, which could become resistance now. I'm not saying I will go long there. I'm not saying it will go there. All I'm saying is if it gets up there, that'll be the coup de grace, and then we will see what actually goes on with gold. If it cuts back through those levels and start to break up there, we could expect some explosive moves. But on this stage, highly unlikely that we will see any bullishness due to a very, very strong dollar. If it gets back up there, I can look for some reversals, and then for those that wants to short gold, that'll be the better opportunity to short gold for another leg down the page. In the New Zealand Swiss, we got this long here getting a little bit iffish to me. It's still strong, New Zealand there, Swiss there, still very good there, so I'm still in the correct direction based on my relative strength on the short term, but it's a bit tough. We have trailed the stop loss from down there to that low now. This trade here on the halfway mark is in the money. The regional entry is slightly in the money. So if we can get a new high there, we could trail the stop loss, but I think that's going to be the same level. We are on these lows here, and market already gapping down last night, finding support right at this level here. So it looks good, but that doesn't mean it's going to work. For now, we got less than half our regional risk left, so I'm fine with that. Consolidation breakout still. If it breaks through that falling trend line there, I guess we can still look to add to the trade, and because we got less risk now. So all we need now is to say, all right, let's see if we can get a break, a retest, nice counter reversal. We can still go, providing the New Zealand and the Swiss stays like that. In the Euro Swiss, still retracing. I'm still after this level here. Euro in the neutral zone. Swiss very bearish, and now I'm after the short in the Swiss by going long here. That'll give me the opportunity to be short Swiss. So for now, I'm still looking for the retracement. However, a little bit of a consolidation up there. If I get the breakout, let's say it starts to run up there today, it breaks, retest, counter reversal, I'll also consider some longs there, although I don't think that'll happen today. US Swiss, same as yesterday, still this level here I'm watching at between the 50 and the 61% level. Dollar up there, Swiss down there. Definitely one of the better pairs to be long in if you want to be long. So I'm waiting for the retest here. Once it hits this level and then reverses on a nice double bottom or a counter reversal or something on 4 hours or 1 hour, I'll surely take some longs there. In US yen, bouncing right off the level I showed you yesterday, but unfortunately I didn't get a reversal signal really there. If you look here, it's a small body. Some people will write that as a bullish engulfing. In my eyes, it's not, because a bullish engulfing should wrap around a medium or a long size or a large size body. That body was too small for me, so for me that was not on. On the 1 hour charts, you saw the bounce there yesterday. This was a morning star, so if you wanted to trade the 1 hour longs, there was an opportunity to get long and on the halfway mark, and you would be well in the money at this stage. So my two trades I'm looking for today, still the retest here if it comes back. Other than that, a nice break of this consolidation line there. Breaks, the retest and a counter reversal, I'll get very, very, very interested in that. If you look at the US yen, still great. Yen and Swiss fighting for the weakest spot. Dollar got all the sparkle. Definitely one of the places I'm trying to be long. US CAD, I wanted to trade the breakout yesterday, but I didn't get it. Okay, so it retries cut through the levels I've identified there, so I've deleted those levels, but I'm still interested. It's just that the CAD is just too strong for me. I would love to see it in the neutral state here, where the Aussie and the Euro is now, or lower even. But I'm keeping this on my watch list, because if this is going to start to fly, the dollar shows renewed strength there. The CAD should drop. If it doesn't, I'll take half a position, or just nibble and be cautious. But it's still something I'm very interested in. In the CAD Swiss, gave a retest yesterday, 2-hour level, nice bullish engulfing. It's a medium-sized body, nice bullish engulfing. We even got an opportunity nicely on the halfway mark there. Not that it would make that much of a difference, the halfway mark, because that's only a 5, 6, 7 pip drop. And with the spreads on the crosses, sometimes it's not that powerful. But if you loaded that, if you waited for the halfway mark, you got that. In any language, you got the entry on a nice bullish engulfing, straightforward. The risk on this trade, roughly from up there, it's about 30 pips. So you need about 45 to 60, and to that high is just a 1-to-1 risk reward. So what I would be doing is pulling in the Fibonacci there and go to the 1.27, 1.618 and set some targets there. Right, if you look there, go back into the history on those two levels, you'll find that at the 1.618 FIB, very nice resistance level there. So that's definitely a final target for this trade. Close half the trade at the 1.27, because that gives us about a 45 to almost 50 pips. Let's call it 45. It's a 1-to-1.5, and that gives us a 1-to-2 risk reward on this trade, and that's great. All right, so that's the trade from yesterday, which I pointed out yesterday morning on the video. So let's hope there for the best. No chance of trailing a stop loss yet. We'll see how it plays out. Then the euro yen, we got the bounce, nice morning star. You can see long black, the two small bodies, that's fine, and then closing back above the halfway mark there, that's all good. That's the halfway mark on the black candle, close above that. There was also a very nice 1-hour opportunity here, which you could have done on a piercing line here. Long black candle, closing above the halfway mark, a nice piercing line, showing a little bit of high risk trade. Obviously it's 1 hour, but you can see there, you got about a 20 pip stop loss. So back up to those highs was already a 1-to-2. All right, so that was for the opportunistic guys, obviously, that wants to trade the 1-hour charts. A very nice quick long for a 1-to-2 risk reward. So lovely trade there on the 1-hour charts. 4 hours, you got that long. Now we sit. Stop loss would be about 50 to 60. So you need about 90 to 100. Right. For that, I'll just look at Fibonacci's on this last swing, and I'll see 1.27 and 1.618. I'll go back a little bit into the history and see there's something coming in on the 1.618. You can see resistance there, support, resistance. Even the 1.27 has got some value. I think the 1.618's got more value on target setting. Now it's all about the risk reward. So if you've got a 50 pip there, that's 60. So T1, I won't easily lighten up there, but definitely when I get up there, that's almost a 1-to-2 risk reward. So that'll be the target for me for this trade. Right, now we're breaking out. Okay, now we wait for a retest and a counter reversal. I didn't spot anything on the 1-hour charts yesterday. Last night, yes, at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I was sleeping, so nothing there. But if you can get a retest and then a reversal, we can keep going with some renewed targets. But we've got this one here. Not a chance of trailing the stop loss yet, but if you get a retest here and a nice counter reversal, we will be able to pull the stop to in the money, and then we can add to the trade and take some more. In the Aussie Swiss, tested this level, but we didn't trade this. I'm only identifying this level this morning, and you can see here Aussie Swiss, all good. Wait for the retest here at the 50 to 61% of this last directional swing. I'll take some longs on candle reversals. Then on the pound US, big swing here, retracement back to 50%, right at the structure here. So if the market tests that level, I'll then definitely get some interest there on some short opportunities there. You can see pound still in the red zone, dollar in the green zone, so I'm keen to short this, so I'll look for shorts at that level. And my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the CAD yen. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now on the CAD yen, quite obvious why I like this. I still have the Fibonacci level here, which is highly unlikely to be hit today. So my focus is on the breakout. Nice consolidation. We had a strong run, consolidation, strong run, consolidation, breakout. So if it can retest here back, you can see here on the 1 hours yesterday, unfortunately did not retest good enough so that we can get long. So now I'm waiting for the retest on a 4-hour chart, then a candle reversal. You can see CAD there fighting for the top spot, and the yen the second worst of them all. So really still a good one that I'm looking at. You can see the New Zealand and the CAD is fighting for that second spot there as I'm speaking here. But I would not get interested on this breakout trade. It's morning session, most likely get good retrace into the afternoon. This might only happen on Monday, but it's definitely on my watch list for today. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. And I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. And don't forget to trade responsibly. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.